You need to protect and secure your business data. This typically requires users to have complex and lengthy passwords, frequent changes, even separate usernames and passwords for certain applications. This aging relic of computing past has long outlived its usefulness and ability to keep criminals at bay. The #1 source of data loss, with estimates showing that 81% of major data breaches are traced back to a single compromised identity, costing $3 million per breach. You want to provide a better user experience, but not at the expense of security. There is a better way than using passwords. At Microsoft, we're taking this challenge head-on using intelligence, innovation, and partnerships that will pave the way for our passwordless future. With Windows Hello, you can sign in with your face or fingerprint using biometric sensors to verify your identity on that device. The Microsoft Authenticator app can sign you in from a mobile device without a password. Sign in with a portable security key along with your fingerprint or PIN to connect to a shared device and validate your identity. And Single Sign-On from Azure Active Directory enables connection of user credentials with business apps so that users sign in once. Adding conditional access adds a layer of security to authentication by calculating a risk score using information about the user, location, device, and app. It comes down to trust. The passwordless future is rapidly approaching. Are you ready? For more information, visit aka.ms/gopasswordless.